Thanks to all our viewers, followers, supporters, and any other person for their everyday promotion. Ido chakati tinabiti belelo beteli baby didili ne unu mo kam keba munite wida momopuna. Nilo kwakwan to the world and share doing your penis. Kwakwan to the world that bring these greetings to you. Our last lesson was places and their various names. Takokwa bena ye nebache be dochena nena yembel. Today we are coming to learn homonyms. Ding tibatiba be kalama yentu anenke homonyms na. But before that, please follow us, follow and like us, Lekwapan to the World, Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp. Tipi na yura takli detail Facebook, be YouTube, be WhatsApp, Lekwapan to the World. What is homonym? By homonym. Homonyms are words that have the same spellings and pronunciation but may have different meaning. They are words that have the same spellings and pronunciation but may have different meaning. Homonyms le ye ngababil ngpan yem ne ngmangbebil ka kpan tatana. Kpan yem ke kpan ngarm ngmangbebil agarm ka kpan tata. For example, uŋoob ne uŋoob. Goat and bearer, they call goat uŋoob. And then bearer woman uŋoob. Doon idon greet. And doon lie down. Doon greet, doon lie down. Boon bend or bend down. Boon paint. Boon nabe. That means paint the cow down. Mmɔɔn okra. Mmɔɔn joy, pleasure, or sweetness. Mmɔɔn kume. That means cook okra and joy. I'm too excited. When swim and then when bend. Ya grandmother, ya scatter. Ya grandmother and ya bichu fire. Baby bichu baya. We means cry. We means smash or break. Pan ne pan. Pan or pan pretend. And then pan change into something. We take be fech or fech soup, we take and then we tell. Obike he said this. Da ne da pam da by. There's something far and then by. Chaar pass on without stopping. And then chaar winnowing and then chaar pierce off. Atufuka chaar be a chaar bomdu. U chaar ide be ne tom pin chaar. So use at the same thing. Liŋuul hat. Unubwan uŋoob. Unubwan na wumpune liŋuul. Ngecho unubwan kpa liŋuul. Liŋuul is hard and liŋuul hanger. Cap break off a leaf. Cap uchu cap kafa. Be cap kafa. Break up of a cap inwe. Kal sit down. Kal dochina sit down. Be kal dochina be sit down here. Kal biches be the kalobu. Tongue beban tongue be in tongue test or tempt. And then tongue do tongue dochina be. Tongue na tongue. Takokum abe ndena. This is the end of today's lesson. And this lesson was brought to you by Lekwapan to the World. Niye Lekwapan to the World amobang ncha mobling a pinse. Legebe kiyati anabati kabangwe. Please like our page or like this our video and share to your brothers. You can also comment here and ask any question for your response. I'm mbambe akpom nkwe mu na ka ngman de kwedo chena. Na yang mbam gatege garido. Ne ya na bo mangu ile mo Joseph lena, and it is your brother mangu ile mo Joseph speaking. Thanks very much for your time. Anil tun ne atita yuen bona.